Muli po ay nandito po ako para magbahagi ng panibagong recipe at sana po magustuhan nyo ito. Bago po natin umpisahan ang ating recipe, ako nga po pala si Ann Kim and Kat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Para updated kayo sa aking mga videos at sa mga upcoming videos ko pa, please don't forget to hit the notification button, like, share, and subscribe. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Hi guys, today I will be showing you a healthy soup recipe. My recipes come with the step-by-step video tutorial with extra instruction and tips. So make you watch the video to ensure the success. New recipes are added every week, and if you are interested, check also my other recipes. You're sure to enjoy. Thank you. Loofah gourd can be cooked into a quick soup dish too. A simple but wholesome soup that packed with nutrition. I combine loofah, egg, and lean pork. But of course, you may add extra ingredients. Quite a lot of options you can put in your soup. Loofah gourd and lean pork is a cool, refreshing dish that is suitable for hot days. Soft and sweet, cooked with nutritious pork and egg is a great choice for family meal. Loofah with egg is a common Chinese dish that is easy to prepare. sa inyong lahat. Sana po nagustuhan ninyo itong recipe ko ngayon. Hope to see you again next week. The complete list of this recipe is in the description below. Thank you again. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.